Uncompromising quality. KRONE Big Pack balers epitomize density, efficiency and operator comfort. These balers perform outstandingly in silage, hay and straw all over the world. The Big Pack HighSpeed models are available in all established bale chamber capacities.
Big Pack 890, 1270, 1290, 870 HDP, 1290 HDP, and Big Pack 4x4.
Each Big Pack HighSpeed has an enormous appetite that translates into highest throughputs. These massive throughputs are achieved courtesy of the new active pickup, the higher capacity VFS packing system and the higher plunger rate. KRONE big balers are veritable workhorses, churning out rock-hard bales time after time. KRONE, the Big Pack HighSpeed, the only way to bale. Technology engineered for professional. All components dovetail perfectly on a Big Pack. Big Pack HighSpeed has a gigantic appetite. The active pickup significantly increases the material flow, especially in difficult harvest conditions. It uses a powered feed roller that accelerates the crop as it flows into the machine. This feed roller is driven mechanically. The special thing about the active pickup is its open sides, an advantage in wide swathes, and which is achieved by attaching the crop press roller to the top of the feed roller. The EasyFlow pickup offers a work width of 1.95 meters or 2.35 meters, measured to DIN, and has 5 rows of tines which are spaced at 55 millimeters. EasyFlow features an ingeniously straightforward and simple design that does without a cam track, a source of wear and tear. The number of moving parts was reduced substantially to enable very quiet running, courtesy of the 30% higher pickup speed. Big Pack HighSpeed can step up its pace for higher throughputs. Each KRONE Big Pack HighSpeed model can be specified with the X-Cut high-performance cutting system. The generously sized rotor cutter has 3 rows of tines that feed the material continuously through the knives. The chevron-arranged tines with wide hardox plates enhance the crop flow while keeping input power low. The knives are arranged in 2 drawers. These fold out hydraulically to remove blockages or change knives, which are conveniently removed from the side. There are sets of 16 or 26 knives to suit individual chamber widths. No tools are required to remove them. KRONE Big Pack HighSpeed. It couldn't be simpler. At slow or fast forward speeds, in high or low yielding crops, in large or narrow swathes. The variable VFS filling system ensures the bale chamber is always filled to capacity and leads to consistently dense bales. Inside the Big Pack HighSpeed feed chamber, 4 packer rakes and 1 feeder rake pack feed the material into the baling chamber. Initially, a retainer collects and retains the crop. until the feed chamber is filled sufficiently. Then the feeder rake feeds it into the baling chamber. VFS ensures that consistently sized parcels of material are fed into the baling chamber. As a result, the baling chamber is always filled with consistent volumes of crop, irrespective of the swathe size. This makes for firm and rock-hard bales from any chamber model. Big Pack HighSpeed was given an 18% larger feed chamber that matches the enormous throughputs of the machine. The feed chamber on Big Pack 4x4 increased by as much as 36%. At the heart of each KRONE Big Pack is the massive plunger. The plungers on Big Pack 1270, 1290 and 1290 HDP work at an 18% higher frequency, providing 45 strokes per minute now. In low-yielding crop, it is possible to reduce PTO speed to 850 RPM. Then Big Pack HighSpeed reduces the number of its plunger strokes to fuel-efficient 38 per minute. Whereas the Big Pack 890 HighSpeed model continues to operate at about 50 strokes per minute, and Big Pack 4x4 at 38. The generously sized bevel gearbox provides smooth operation and high efficiency. The massive flywheel makes for quiet running and low input power. All KRONE big balers are equipped with standard double knotters. The only exception is Big Pack 1270, which features a single knotter. But it is also available with a double knotter. The double knotter offers major advantages for a high-density big baler. The needle is not holding the thread while baling is in progress, and therefore it is not exposed to any strain. It picks the upper and lower threads only when the actual tying cycle starts. Then it ties two separate knots, one after the other. The first knot terminates the current baling cycle, whereas the second knot marks the beginning of the next cycle. As a result, using two threads, the system ties 4 knots per bale, 2 at the front and 2 at the end of each bale. This is the visible trademark of the KRONE double knotter technology. The pneumatic cleaning system keeps the knotters clean and ensures dependable operation. A mechanical knotter fan is also available as an option, and a welcome addition on machines that operate in extremely dusty conditions. This fan establishes a permanent airflow that keeps the knotter free of debris. KRONE machines typically work long days. To enhance visibility at night, KRONE marks the contours of Big Pack with LED strips and installs work lights to the machine. Each of the 2 twine boxes stores 16 balls of twine, plenty of storage capacity that allows operators to finish up to 900 bales without stopping for a refill. The panels provide a dust-tight seal. The shelves have gas struts to fold up easily and without effort, to give access to all service and maintenance points on the Big Pack HighSpeed, and are easy to get at. All KRONE Big Pack models feature technology that determines moisture levels and bale weights in real time. The optional moisture sensing system continuously measures the moisture levels of the crop and displays the reading on the screen. The optional weighing system is integrated in the bale chute, where it measures the weight of each individual bale to an accuracy of 2%. The weight is displayed on the screen and added to the bale counter. KRONE Pre-Chop fractures and chops for professional applications. Pre-chop is an optional chopper that can be integrated in all Big Pack 1270, 1290 and 1290 HDP models that feature the X-Cut cutting system. Pre-chop does not affect the crop flow through the baler. The bales continue to be well shaped and high density, even in very short straw. Pre-chop produces visibly fractured, finely chopped and dust-free material that serves a wide variety of applications. Pre-chop uses 96 rigid knives that are arranged in 2 helical rows. The top shear bar is set to one of 4 positions, the bottom shear bar to one of 5, to choose the optimum intensity of conditioning. Naturally, all Big Pack models operate fine without pre-chop. Simply shut it off via the mechanical gearbox and lift it hydraulically. It lifts 45 centimeters clear off the ground for passing over swathes without picking up material. Should the unit not be required for an extended period of time, you can remove it easily. Disconnect various couplers and the drive shaft and pull the unit out on a trolley. KRONE Pre-Chop. Technology that serves all needs. KRONE Big Pack 890, 1270 and 1290. These are the success models of our high-speed generation. KRONE Big Pack. Buying a Big Pack is an investment in experience and expertise. In response to many user requests, KRONE offers a comprehensive range of chamber dimensions. KRONE Big Balers pack it in. KRONE Big Pack HighSpeed is designed in the field for the field, because we know what farmers want. Big Pack 1270 is a very versatile machine and has a 120 centimeter wide and 70 centimeter high chamber. 6 single or double knotters produce sturdy bales in straw, hay and silage. The rock-hard bales from the Big Pack 1290 chamber, which is 120 centimeters by 90 centimeters, are appreciated by farmers around the world. Its huge bales are typically requested in straw and hay applications, but it also handles silage successfully. High-capacity square balers come in a wide range of specifications. As contractors and farmers ask for high performance and reliability, cutting-edge technology, high levels of base specification and useful options, the KRONE Big Pack high-speed models come up with ever-new solutions. KRONE Big Pack 1270 Multi-Bale. KRONE Multi-Bale packs up to 9 small bales in one single big bale. Big bales are welcome in the field, but inside animal buildings, it's the small bales that are easier to handle. The award-winning KRONE multi-bale system makes bale handling very easy. Operators can set the system to pack up to 9 small bales in each 2.7 meter big bale. The complete bale is held together by 4 strings, and each small bale by 2 strings. Multi-bale takes the hard work out of your daily duties. Simply cut the 4 strings and use the small bales for easy handling around the farm. KRONE multi-bale technology gives you small bales in the barn and big bales in the field. The multi-bale system established itself in the market within no time. After all, small bales are much easier to handle in confined buildings. Of course, you can use the multi-bale kit also to bale regular big bales of up to 2.7 meters in length. KRONE multi-bale, technology that turns a profit.
KRONE Big Pack 870 HDP HighSpeed multi-bale and Big Pack 1290 HDP HighSpeed. HDP, High Density Press, is the KRONE solution for high-density big bales. KRONE HDP balers take baling density to an entirely new level. Compared with conventional square balers, the Big Pack HDP delivers up to 25% heavier bale weights. The result? Bales as solid as briquettes. Par for the course with KRONE Big Pack HDP high-speed balers. With 5 double knotters and a chamber measuring 80 centimeters wide by 70 centimeters high, the Big Pack H70 HDP multi-bale delivers compact, firm bales between 1 and 2.7 meters in length. In multi-bale mode, 2 double knotters tie the small bales and the other 3 tie the big bale. So, an HDP multi-bale big bale is made up to 9 handy, individually wrapped small bales. With its chamber measuring 120 centimeters wide by 90 centimeters high, the KRONE Big Pack 1290 HDP produces high-density, perfectly shaped bales. Measuring up to 3.2 meters in length, the bales produced by the Big Pack 1290 HDP high-speed are a rock-solid foundation for effective straw management. There is a growing demand for chopped straw because these bales are easier to break up and spread. Yet another reason to equip the Big Pack HDP high-speed with KRONE's optional, tried and tested X-Cut cutting system. Profitability in forage harvesting is a function of bale collection, transport and storage costs. In this context, the KRONE HDP system offers excellent savings because it increases bale densities by 25%, reducing all relevant costs. Experience shows that HDP bales boost transport capacities by up to 5 tons. The rock-hard bales produced by Big Pack HDP high-speed save space and storage room. These well-shaped and straight-edged bales stack perfectly and are very resistant to rain. Professional straw storage with high bale weights are a reality with the KRONE Big Pack HDP high-speed. These big balers deliver impressive outputs. Take advantage of leadership technology, KRONE technology.
Big Pack 4x4 HighSpeed is the biggest model in the KRONE square baler range. Its bale chamber is huge, 120 centimeters wide and 130 centimeters high. It churns out up to 3.2 meter long bales. This is the biggest chunk of straw any square baler in the world can deliver. Such a bale has a volume of up to 5 square meters. These massive bales suit agricultural as well as industrial applications. Huge bales made by superior technology, KRONE technology. 38 plunger strokes per minute, a 36% larger VFS feed chamber, the new KRONE active pickup. All these features combine on a KRONE Big Pack 4x4 HighSpeed to boost throughputs by up to 50%. The massive and nearly 600 kilogram flywheel ensures Big Pack 4x4 takes care of quiet running. The heavy-duty gearbox transfers powers of more than 837 kilowatt, 1,138 horsepower. This is the power it takes to produce those rock-hard and 1.3 meter high bricks of bales. The massively reinforced yoke withstands the highest loads. 6 hydraulic rams control the pressure on the chamber doors. Packed with innovative features, Big Pack 4x4 stands out for its huge chamber, massive throughput and maximum baling pressure. KRONE Big Pack 4x4 HighSpeed delivers enormous work rates and high density and straight-edged bales. KRONE Big Pack HighSpeed is designed for the field. Each Big Pack HighSpeed has an enormous appetite, which translates into highest throughputs. Each KRONE Big Pack HighSpeed is a veritable workhorse, churning out rock-hard bales time after time. Every KRONE Big Pack HighSpeed that is working out there in silage, hay and straw is a winner. KRONE, the power of green.